So today I am at DRB Homes' newest community called Chase Oaks, and this is a beautiful community. There's going to be 250 homes here. There'll be a fantastic clubhouse, pool, amenities, activities. This is not an age-restricted community. Beautiful location here in Lewes, Delaware. Inviting you to join me. We're going to take a tour of 3 model homes today. We help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. If you're looking to buy a home or sell a home in New Jersey, Delaware, or Pennsylvania, my team and I would be honored to help. And you can contact us at info@promptagents.com. And if you'd like me to consult with you, if you're considering buying a new home, remember to contact me first before you call a builder or go to visit a model home. So here at DRB Homes in Lewes, Delaware, we're going to take a look at the Latitude model next. So come on, let's take a look. And I love this front porch out here. So you've got a lot of space where you can just hang out here, utilize this space on the front porch. Nice shaded area here as well. And coming inside the Latitude, you have a really nice sized foyer area, a lot of space on both sides. Let's check the great room out, and then we'll come back and look at the beginning. So in the Latitude model, love this great room area. It is really spectacular because you have this cathedral ceiling up here. This feels really bright, really airy and spacious in here. Coming into this section, you have a living area, and there's a dual-sided fireplace right here, which actually goes out to the outside to the screen porch. So if you're out there on a chilly night, you can have the fireplace going on both sides there. Here we have a little dining area right here in the kitchen area. And then look at this beautiful kitchen. This countertop is spectacular. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of sparkly and beautiful. You have a stainless steel sink, your stainless appliances, wall ovens, gas stove here, your microwave, plenty of cabinets going all the way up. Definitely need a ladder for this one too. And then we have a pantry here as well. So right off the great room is the owner suite. Let's go take a look here. And this is really spacious, beautiful. You've got a couple windows there for natural light, tray ceilings here. This flows through to a large walk-in closet. And then as you head into the bathroom, we've got a linen closet here, a dual vanity, and then a seated shower here as well. So right off the front foyer of the house, we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. The nice thing about this, it is kind of like a split bedroom style. So the 2 bedrooms are here at the front of the house, and the owner suite is in the back corner of the house. So you have some privacy and some separation of these 2 living areas. So at the back of the house is a screen porch. It's a beautiful space here. They've got a little living area set up over here. And as we come back this way, here's a look at the back end of that fireplace. Like I said, it's the 2-sided fireplace, so you can actually open it right up. If you're sitting out here, out on the screen porch, you'll have the fireplace going, and you'll actually see it on both sides of the house, which is pretty cool. And they've got the TV set up here as well. And we also have a patio down here. So great space. They've got the fire pit set up here if you want to have your grill here. So great use of the space here. So what do you do in Lewes, Delaware? This is what you do in Lewes, Delaware. Sit here on the front porch, just relax, enjoy yourself. And this is a beautiful setting. This is the DRB Homes St. John's model we're going to go take a look at next. Well, let's go inside. And it does feel nice and cool in here too. It's a little hot today. So over here we have a beautiful layout. I love the openness. Right when you come in, you have this beautiful living room area here. They've got the shiplap going on. Great design. You have the staircase going up here toward the side, which is awesome. There's a half bathroom right here, and then right behind us here, in front of the house, I don't know what you'd call this, maybe a flex room. You could use this as a home office. It would be great for. They've got it set up as a little kind of dining area set up. So inside the St. John model, and you have a beautiful great room set up here. You see the living area set here. We have gas fireplace, and they have really nice built-in cabinetry right here. And coming back to the back of the house, look at these sliders. You have dual sliders here, the screen porch, plenty of space there. And as we come back through here, we have the eat-in kitchen area, great space, and lots of lighting again with the windows here on both sides of this eat-in kitchen area. And then we come into the kitchen, and it is beautiful. We have actually like a gray kind of cabinetry here, pewter cabinetry on this island, white cabinetry on the kitchen, beautiful countertops and sink here, kind of a farm style sink. You got your stainless appliances, wall oven, and then back this way, actually have a butler's pantry and another pantry here as well. Before I show you the owner suite, I do want to show you this section right off of here. Right off the great room, we have this area which goes through straight back here is going to take you into the garage, but right over here we have a little cubby area. This is great. You come in the garage, you want to put your coat up here, you know, just have a nice space to put the book bags or whatever you want to put here. And then right over here in this section, we have a built-in desk area. So a lot of people working from home now, you can sit here, work from home, keep an eye on the kids through this opening into the great room. Right off of the great room area, we have the owner suite. Let's go take a look here. And as you're heading into the owner suite, you have right here the laundry room, which is great, very convenient. And then off of here is the full bath. We'll show you that in a moment. And then back here, we have the owner suite. And it really is a beautiful setup. You've got 3 windows here. You have windows above the bed area. A lot of natural light coming in here, tray ceilings, and a beautiful owner suite here. So inside the owner's bath, we have a private room for the toilet right here. Dual vanities on this side. There's room, you can put a stool in here. Large shower. I mean, look at the size of this shower. I mean, it is so long right here. And you have a seat back here on this end of the shower. Actually have shower heads on both sides of the shower. I guess you could have a couple people in here at once if you want, have fun. And then back here we have a walk-in closet. So there is a second floor, let's go check it out. So upstairs we have a loft area, great space. There's 3 bedrooms, including a junior suite, and 2 full bathrooms up here on the second floor. First up, let's go check out the Palm model. So as I'm showing you the Palm model, I want to talk about the amenities. There will be one of the area's largest pools here at the community and a 3,000 square foot clubhouse with a lot of amenities and community gatherings planned. So it's going to be a really great place. Let's talk amenities and pricing. There are actually 10 different models to choose from at the community. The Aloha is the smallest at 1,460 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a base price of $449,990. The Palm model showing you now is $519,990 is a base price, 1,733 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. The Latitude, $479,990, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,784 square feet. The St. Kitts is $559,990, 1,833 square feet. The Coral is $534,990, 2,000 square feet. The Antigua, $569,990, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2,141 square feet. And the Dune, $544,990 and 2,228 square feet. So DRB Homes Chase Oaks community here in Lewes, Delaware is beautiful. We just toured 3 models and they're all really nice in different layouts that are great layouts, practical, and beautiful designs here. So So if you're looking for a home in Lewes, Delaware, definitely want to check the link in the video description. I'll have some details on this community and on the homes that we looked at today. And you also want to check out this video here where I tour 4 other builders and communities in the Lewes area. So you definitely want to compare. There's a lot of builders, a lot of new construction down here. And if you are looking for a new home in Lewes, contact me first, and I'll be glad to help.